Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we have seen how to access metadata. In this video, we're gonna see how to attach a elastic IP address to an instance. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, so let me give you an example. Now, in the previous video, we have created this instance, right? Now, okay, this every instance has an IP address, right? It is automatically assigned to us. So this IP address is 3.7 point something, right? Just remember it. And let's just stop this instance and try to restart it. Okay, so let's just wait while it stops and let me get back to you when it's already stopped. Okay, so it is successfully stopped. Now the IP address was 3.7.68 something, right? Let's try to start this again and let's see if the IP address changes or not. Okay, it is starting. Let's wait for some time. Maybe I'll just fast forward it or just cut it to when this starts. Let's see. Okay, so it already started. Now 65, the IP address has changed, right? So every time we start a new instance or every time we start the previously stopped instance, the IP address changes. And we don't want this in a real world scenario, right? We have a domain name, we have a IP address of a website. We don't want it to change every time. Now, how to do this? How to fix this? For this, we need to go to here, Elastic IPs. Let's click on it. Let's see. So we are on this page and we need to click on this allocate Elastic IP address. Let's click on it. And okay, IPv4, AP South 1 is fine. Let's allocate. Now the Elastic IP is successfully generated. Now let's select this and click on actions and let's click on associate Elastic IP address. Okay, now it will ask if you want to attach it to an instance or a network interface. In our case, we need to attach it into an instance. Okay, instance, this one test meta is already running. Choose a private IP address. Okay, so maybe we can just let this as it is, associate, and it is already attached. So 65.2.174. Let's verify this by clicking on our instance. 65.24193. Is it the same? 65.2.174.85. And let's reload, and it is attached. 65.2.174.85. Okay, so this is how you attach an elastic IP. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.